Kip, Episode 1, A Perfect Tree. Bird lived in the perfect tree. I love my tree, she said. It's in a nice quiet park, and I can see the ocean. One day, Bird was sleeping. Boom, bonk. Oh, what made that sound? She looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep. Bonk. Ouch, said Bird. Bird looked up again, but he still didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Crash, bonk, boom. Acorn, where did these come from? She looked up and see a chipmunk. Sorry, said the chipmunk. Oh, it's okay. What are you doing with all these acorns? I'm moving in, said the chipmunk. You moving in? Asked Bird. Yes, I'm moving into this hole. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor. Bird and Kip. Episode 2, Bird's new neighbor. Bird don't like you having a neighbor. Kip was loud and dropped acorns. Oh, I need a break. I think I'll go to the beach. Bird walked in the sand. It's having food in the water. He ate a snack. I love the beach, she said. Just then, Bird saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky. Oh no, said Bird. That hawk will eat me. Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home. I saw a big hawk, said Bird. Oh no, said Kip. I don't like hawk. Where is it? It was at the beach. Will it come here? Asked Kip. I don't think so. This tree is a very safe place. Bird and Kip. Episode 3, Acorn Gumbo. Bird heard something. It was coming from Kip's hole. Chop, chop, chop. Sloop, scrape, scrape. What are you doing, Kip? Asked Bird. I'm making acorn gumbo. Then Bird smelled something. It smells very bad. You're going to eat that? No. We are going to eat it. You're invited to dinner tonight. Kip, it doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell good, but it tastes great. Then Bird saw something. There's a hawk, cried Bird. The big hawk was looping through the tree. Yuck, something smelled bad, said the hawk. The hawk turned around and flew away. Phew. Your acorn gumbo says, Kip. And you're right. It does taste great.